Okay, tip number one. Boys, girls, know your fucking numbers. This is the foundation of everything you do. I did a pricing exercise last week with a bloke looking to go out on his own. He's a smart tradie, good on the tools, and I asked him what he needed to charge per hour. And he just threw me a number. He said, $60 an hour. I said, okay. Where did that come from? Crickets. I could see the look on his face. He was perplexed. He was confused. So we sat down and actually ran the numbers. Now, you'd think for a guy on his own, the overheads weren't that much. But he didn't allow for 4 weeks holiday, 2 weeks sick leave and public holidays, rain delays, project blowouts, insurance, super, tools, maintenance, vehicle costs, marketing, admin time. Now, by the time we finished, his gut feeling hourly rate was off by nearly $40. $40 an hour. Now imagine if he'd gone out and started just pricing jobs at his price. Now multiply that across a year. That's the difference between making money and going broke. And this bloke didn't even know it. He wasn't preparing for it. He was unaware. Here's the thing about tradies. When cash gets tight, our instinct is to just throw more leads at the problem. Get in more jobs, put more blokes on, get more leads, do some marketing. But if you don't know your numbers, you're just going to go broke even faster. You need to know exactly what it costs to put a bloke on site for 1 hour. No guessing, not just throwing numbers out there, not around and about, down to the exact dollar figure. Because if you don't know that number, you cannot price a job properly, period. And if you cannot price a job properly, you're gambling. You're not running a business, you're bloody gambling. It's like putting your money into the pokie machines. You never know whether you're going to win or not. So here's your homework for tomorrow. Sit down tonight, write out every single cost your business carries, fixed and variable, then divide it by your billable hours. That's your real hourly rate. If the number scares you, good, it should, because that's what you actually need to be charging. Now, you can stay at home and lose money, or you can go to work for 50, 60 hours a week and do work for other people and lose money. It's your choice. But hey, I know what I would rather be doing. I'd rather be going to work to make money. So let's get you out there. Let's get you profitable. Let's have you making money from day one.